Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 6. More Jamaicans benefited from multi-billion-dollar subsidies provided by the National Health Fund NHF last year. A total of $3.6 billion was spent to fill prescriptions for new beneficiaries enrolled in the program. The money was used to offset the cost of just over 3.7 million prescription items for the 38,000 newly enrolled beneficiaries. During 2014, the NHF also conducted over 48,000 health checks, including blood sugar, blood pressure, cholesterol, hemoglobin, ECGs, and vision checks, to provide individuals with critical information about their health status. Government's National Health Fund provides financial support to individuals with 15 chronic illnesses, including asthma, diabetes, and arthritis, and offers subsidies for over 1,300 prescription items. There's also the Jamaica Drugs for the Elderly program, which provides 72 prescription items free of cost to persons over 60 years old who have chronic conditions covered by the NHF. 548,000 people are currently enrolled in the program. 5 judges appointed to serve in the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court were sworn into office during a ceremony at King's House Monday. Justice Almarie Sinclair Haynes will serve in the Court of Appeal. Kisok Christopher Leng, Chester R. Stamp, Lorna Shelley Williams, and Vinette Graham Allen were sworn in as puisne judges. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen congratulated the judges and urged them to carry out their duties effectively.
Continue to remember as you serve that Jamaica is depending upon you to uphold the tradition of judicial excellence by discharging your responsibilities faithfully, truthfully, with justice, and also mercifully.
Chief Justice Zayla McCalla encouraged the judges to review the new guidelines governing the conduct of judicial officers.
Greater emphasis is also being placed on customer service at all levels of our court system as part of the process of reform. When persons seek the assistance of our courts, we should strive to resolve their issues expeditiously and not add to challenges that they already have.
As government moves to create a logistics-centered economy, the Council of Community Colleges of Jamaica, CCCJ, has developed an associate degree in logistics management, one of a number of new educational programs to be offered. The course, which has been developed in collaboration with the Canada-based Niagara College, will be offered by the Excelsior Community College in Kingston and supports government's ongoing initiative to establish Jamaica as the logistics hub of the Americas. Other new programs which have been developed by the CCCJ include Associate of Science degrees in social work, automobile repairs, engineering, and criminal justice. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites welcomed the new programs, adding that more people will have a chance to gain new skills and certification in areas which are now in demand.
These are useful and beneficial programs for persons choosing a first-time career, or for those who we pay insufficient attention to, those adults seeking to improve their marketability by changing their professions or by adding another certifiable skill in response to the changing economy.
The Ministry of National Security will this year roll out a national campaign to eradicate the culture of lawlessness within the country. The campaign, which targets young people, will be rolled out in mainstream media, schools, and on social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter. It's part of the Unite for Change campaign, which urges all Jamaicans to join the fight against crime. National Security Minister Peter Bunting thanked community groups and other stakeholders for working with the police in 2014, adding that the cooperation of law-abiding citizens led to the 16% reduction in serious and violent crimes.
All the citizens of goodwill who came out and participated in peace marches, came to some of the rallies we had, encouraged us, gave information to the police that the police were able to recover hundreds of guns without fatality. So we really want that to take root in 2015 and begin to expand.
Minister Bunting was speaking on JIS TV's Issues and Answers program. And finally, Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says his ministry will continue to implement the blood donor recruitment plan by establishing voluntary donor managers.
These will boost the consistency of dealing with blood supply and increase donor pools, which are two major outcomes that require strong, sustained support. we recognize that converting replacement donors to voluntary, non-remunerated donors is a difficult task.
Minister Ferguson was speaking recently at the official handing over of a mobile unit to the blood bank by the UK-based Angel Foundation. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.